I hate this window. You may ask yourself, why won't you just delete this window, or why wouldn't you just put the desk in a different place? Well, I can't. There's not much I can do. Although I can do one thing. Check this out. Something's gonna fall. For sure. So welcome back again, thanks for coming. Today we'll be going through my old projects and seeing what I've been making years ago. I made one video, some like that. We've been checking projects and somehow finishing them, adding some flavor to them, making them sound better because time passes and we all improve. And I named it a part 1 and I never did the part 2, so I guess this is gonna be a part 2, or it's gonna be fixing my old projects type of video. I don't know, let's just see what we can do with it. I have projects on my iCloud and I have only the projects from 2018, but I see a couple of really cool ones that I remember from the name of the file that we could just dive into and check them out and maybe finish them. I don't know what to expect. I'm just, you know, memories and nostalgia and this type of things really cringe and making me throw up. I've been sorting projects based on a time when I've been making them, so like January, February, then the whole year, so in this case 2018. I have them stored some. Oh wait, what is that? Old Ableton. Oh, that's the same file. Okay, so in February there's this ever-changing. Yeah, let's just go. I remember I've been making a lot of sort of like beats from the future, if you can call them like that. Okay, so I remember there was a supercell automation and sound differently. Like oh, there we go. Okay, so what we need to do is, this project is a mess, so we will need to clear most of the things. So let's just delete these drums. Yeah, we can leave this effects group, just delete this. This is not useful. See, this is really bad. If you make a really messy project, then it's really hard. Cool. So what we are gonna do when we get like a project like this, usually most people, including me, I don't want to say most people, but mostly me, have a problem with the mid frequencies, and every single instrument needs this OTT touch on the top. So most of the sounds are really mid heavy and they have to be compressed in this region with like a cool anti-mud compressor, but this sound is being filtered here. I'll just cut a little bit here. So I have this anti-mud compressor. This is basically an effect rack. It consists of OTT, then we have anti-mud compressor, which is compressing the mid frequencies only, and then we have low mud compressor, which is compressing only low frequencies, and then we have channel EQ if I want to boost some high end with this bright knob, and we have some low, because low cut is very useful. And this is being assigned to macros. I don't have to tweak each effect individually. I can just tweak the macros. It's cool. I want to make this a little bit brighter, and then we have this sound. Oh, look at this. I even boosted this frequency region that isn't supposed to be boosted. We can do some mid-side EQing. Mid-side here. We don't want these low frequencies to be on sides too much. This thing has the same problem. It's also wide in the low frequencies. Okay, because other instruments are being wide, I want this bass to be more in mono. Okay, this one is pretty bright. Oh, we can layer these two basses, so let's just cut. Okay, this is cool. What about doing another filter automation? Bring it in. Maybe here. I find this really useful. Every 8 bars adding a new element, so it makes the listener engaged, excited, and the track flows more smoothly. So we want to keep adding elements every 8 bars, so it's more interesting. So we have then this ARP. Ooh, that is cool. So there's this LFO tool and the speed is being automated. Wow, that's genius. I was such a genius back then. Not anymore though. Ooh, that is cool. Wow. Yes, that is really important. If you have a sound like a sweep down or any other sound that is not supposed to be BPM, that is not in a certain BPM, just unwarp this, because if you warp the sound and if it's like this, instead, yeah, like if you unwarp this, it's actually longer, it loses some quality and it sounds worse. That looks awful. This color sucks. Okay, much better. Looks much better. Okay, that's nice. We can put some build up here from Galaxy. Try this one. Cool. A lot of recent projects, we've been just doing some volume automation. I guess this time we can do some sustained chords. I have this open Reese bass. Yeah, let's take this one. Now I want some arpeggios. Arpeggios always cool. Damn, I love ARPs so much. Okay, so this is oh, we can retrigger this every single 1/16th, 1/8. Because what happens is that we have like 6 notes here, 1, 2, 3, 6, and because this is playing like 6 up and then repeats again 6 up, so it's not hitting with the metronome, you know what I mean. But if we trigger this with the beat, it's a different tempo. Another layer, we do a simple one. Okay, so once we have a huge stack of chords, we can group them, and we will need some volume automation because I plan on filling these gaps here with some vocals. Put a utility and put a gain automation. So it's quite quiet right here. What is this? Okay, so the way we can make really cool vocals is there's a couple of ways actually. Let's just find a cappella maybe. Put it into the sampler and then slice. And then we do this. And then we put some OTT. Some distortion, like saturator. And there's this cool function of coloring the distorted signal. What I like to do is I like to mess with this frequency knob and just put it around 300 Hertz. And then when we push the depth, it creates like a very so that's awesome. Maybe another one OTT. Some reverb and delay. What we also need to do is we need to put EQ after saturator, because it made some low end. Don't want. Okay, and also I'm not sure about that slicing thing, so I'm just gonna copy this, paste the effects onto the audio track. I need let's put this reverb here and let's just automate the dry wet. We need some lead. That's right. Ooh. That's cool. Let's put this in the second part of the drop. Let's in the first one just have chords and vocals, and let's follow the rule that I've been talking before of just adding some new elements every 8 bars. Oh yeah, and then we have this breakdown. Yeah, let's do a breakdown too, but also I want to try something like I've been doing this sometimes too when I have a distorted vocal and I just put it on top of the chords and it works like the lead. That's cool. Huh. Okay, so now what we can do is we can delete this, and this is gonna work as a second part of the drop. As a second part of this, as a second drop, and yes, but I want to make the second drop just now, because then we can easily put this later. LFO tool, because we want like sort of movement. And some shots. We need to put this LFO tool in the new automation line, so we want this to be turned on only here. In the second part, maybe put some space here. Take this guy, paste. We can put like an impact here. Okay, so we basically copy this thing, but we want the second drop to be more hyped, so like quicker, but much higher energy, because this is gonna hit hard. Okay, some noise sweeps. Oh wait. Have noise sweeps here. Okay, so what we can do, we can put some claps here. Copy this thing, basically the whole group. Let's put the auto filter on the whole group. So we would like, we want something like this. That's cool. And we want this group to just close. So we are doing the opposite thing. Oh, we have automation. Okay. Oh, there is automation. Oh, okay. There was automation. Oh, we have these things. Okay. Not gonna lie, this is tricky. Like a sub drop. Yeah, that's cool, and I'm really surprised that this is actually 3 minutes 20 song when I'm usually making a song and it takes me like 2 minutes 20. It's not enough time. Okay, so let's listen to this. That is cool. That is really, that is fire, man. See, these leads are making a big difference. Let me know if you want more things like that. I have a lot of projects that I would love to dive into and see what I can do with them. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and have a nice day. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.